how to log in to Discord app on PC. If you would like to log in to the Discord application on your PC, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now, you have to make sure that you have already downloaded the Discord application on your computer, which I'm sure most of you have already done so. Now, after you just go ahead and then basically launch the Discord app, this is the type of interface that you will see. Here it will ask me to enter the email or phone number. So first, you want to go ahead and then just type in the email address that you basically use to associate with your Discord account. After that, it will ask you to enter your password. So go ahead and then just type in your password. In case you happen to forget your password, you can click on the forgot your password button. But if your details are correct, you can just hit the little login button right here at the bottom. And once done, you should be able to successfully log in to your Discord account. So just go ahead and then just make sure your login information is actually correct. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.